So this is a short video on binary option signals and their profitability, the factors, economics, and characteristics of profitable trading signal services. This video is copyright 2012, binaryoptionsdaytrading.com. Alright, so let's get started. So it would seem pretty obvious that the factors in binary options signals profitability for trading would be that yields, higher equals better, frequency, higher equals better, more capital invested equals better, better accuracy, higher equals better. But the real question is, how much is enough to make it worth your while? So that's what we were asking when we started this study. In other words, what we wanted to find out with this study is, how accurate do binary options trading signals have to be in order to be reasonably profitable? Or how accurate do they have to be for a given level of capital and typical yield scenario to make it worth your while to start trading them? Now, admittedly, everybody has a diverse range of needs and income, both for income in terms of risk level willing to take, but we wanted to base our study on typically available contracts and typical parameters. Things like 70% in the money yields on binary options contracts, 15% out of the money yields, return of capital, not return to capital, but a return of capital on out of the money options contracts. We based it on a simple $100 investment per trade, and what we wanted to do was to examine a range of signals accuracy, figure out the break-even percentage, and we wanted to compute what would the profits be for a $100 investment on average for a range of accuracy from 60 to 80% on typically available simple binary options contracts, such as those based on the 70% in the money yields, 15% out of the money yields. So we found some interesting results in our study. Not only did we find a break-even percentage in terms of how accurate do signals have to be in order for a trader to break even with those parameters that we discussed, but we also got an idea of what the characteristics of a profitable binary options trading signal service would have to be. How frequent would the signals have to be? How much capital would you have to make to an investment per trade? And how many trades per month would you have to make in order to make it worth your while to earn a decent living at it, so that it really could be a day trading as a job as opposed to supplementing your income or doing it part-time. You can see the results of our study at http://binaryoptionsdaytrading.com/binary-options-signals-profits. And when you're there, you'll be able to see all the results of our study, the break-even point and the profitability at various levels of accuracy for binary option signals. Just as a reminder, this video is copyright binaryoptionsdaytrading.com. It's being distributed on YouTube, so bear that in mind and follow the terms of service of YouTube when distributing or posting this content. Thanks, and I hope all your trades end up in the money.